Hi, I'm Jen Dearden, editor, chef, and registered dietitian at Cook for Your Life. This is your most asked questions about nutrition. What are some nutritious snack options? Great question. One easy thing that you could do is just grab some fruit. Think things like bananas, apples, oranges, things that are really easy to just throw in your bag and take with you. Or if you want to get a little bit fancier, you could get some fruit, cut it up, put it in little containers, and bring it with you. For a more satisfying snack, pair that fruit with low-fat cottage cheese, low-fat Greek yogurt, or a nut butter. You could also bring a small handful of nuts or make your own trail mix with some unsalted nuts and some dried fruit. You could also bring some cut up veggies with a little bit of hummus. And hummus isn't hard to make. We've got a great recipe on our website, super easy. And if you want a little bit something else for flavor, you could consider adding roasted red pepper, maybe some roasted carrots, just to give it a little bit of a different flavor. Smoothies are another great thing to make and take with you. Frozen berries, soaked cashews make a great base for smoothies. And if you want to sneak a little bit of vegetable in there, think about adding some leafy greens or maybe some grated carrot. We have tons of great smoothie recipes on the website. Whole grain toast is another great option. Just spread a little bit of nut butter or maybe some avocado and it's ready to go. Check out our recipe for miso honeyed peanut butter spread. You can get your probiotics and your protein all on one slice of toast. Cook for Your Life helps people navigate one of the most challenging yet essential parts of the cancer experience, food. For more recipes and nutrition tips, check out cookforyourlife.org.